How does engine oil role in truck performance? Truck engines are complex machines that rely heavily on engine oil to run smoothly. Without proper lubrication, engine parts can wear out quickly, leading to engine failure. Engine oil serves several important functions. 1. Lubrication. Reducing friction between moving parts. 2. Cooling. Helping regulate engine temperature. 3. Cleaning. Removing dirt and contaminants. 4. Sealing. Preventing combustion gases from leaking out. If you don't change your engine oil regularly, the oil can become contaminated, lose its effectiveness, and cause significant damage to your engine.
Autonomous Fluid System by Antares.